Hi guys, it's Anna from Astashkina Cakes and I'm working with Isomalt. I need to do some lollipops for the cake, and first thing, of course, I need to put on my gloves. These gloves are from Simi Cakes and I use them all the time because, as you know, Isomalt is extremely hot, so you have a lot of chances to burn yourself, and it's an unpleasant experience. And here I have my Isomalt already melted and settled down. Here is about, I don't know, half, it's a quarter cup. But I don't think that I'm going to use this all. So to make lollipops round, you just need to pour in one spot like this, and I'm going to add my lollipop stick and few decorations. It's going to be a kids cake, so I have yellow nonpareils, white nonpareils, and these are Wilton, I guess. I bought it at Michael's. So just small decorations to make it look nice. And I'll do this again in a second. If you work in a colder room, like I am right now, I probably will need to heat it up again to make all of my lollipops. See, it's completely round and nice because Isomalt already settled, so it's not bubbling and it's not boiling, and it makes it much easier to work. And as Sydney says, this is the right temperature to work with your Isomalt if you can pour it like this. We'll see if I can do 2 at a time. If you do not like the shape or something goes wrong with your Isomalt and you need to shape it a little bit, I'll show you in a second how you can help and reshape a little bit to make it round or any form you need. If you, for example, want to make bow or you want to make a heart shape. And so, and I add my nonpareils and decorations while Isomalt is still warm. So here I have just a regular table knife and I want to shape it a little bit so you can see it's still pliable and you can mold it the way you want it if you have some issues, like right here. But when you pour just over the top and stir the stream, usually it makes nice round lollipops. Okay, I'll continue working. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye!